we're also seeing the effects at the pump. AAA says it's just the beginning, and gas prices are expected to change in the coming weeks and even months.
Fox Carolina's Brookley Cromer live in Greenville County. So, Brookley, what should people in the upstate expect to see at the pumps?
Well, the good news for drivers here locally is that the gas prices are continuing to drop, and AAA says that trend should continue over the next weeks and the coming months. Here along Pelham Road, most gas prices are under $2, hovering around $1.99. This station here at $1.97, but we've heard of some upstate stations going as low as $1.89.
They're having record low gas prices. It's one of the top 10 lowest record that they've had.
According to AAA, gas prices are falling in the Carolinas and around the nation due to an oversupply of oil. The travel agency says fewer people are traveling, so consumption is down while supply is up.
There's a lot of fear in travel. And the thing is crude oil is a big part of it. So a lot of the airliners, a lot of the other ways that we travel uses that same resource. With a lot of those kind of slowing down, that's given us an abundance. So we're seeing a lot more crude oil and a lot more gas being stored here.
Jeremy Linkins is the manager of the AAA branch in Greenville and says South Carolina currently has some of the least expensive gas prices in the nation.
Most of it has dropped over 7 cents in the last week.
AAA collected data comparing gas prices around the country. In South Carolina, the current average is $2.09 a gallon compared to the national average of $2.38, but can be found even lower at some stations across the upstate.
Some are going as low as below $2.
The current average in Greenville is $2.05, down 20 cents from this time last year. In Spartanburg, the average is a penny more at $2.06 a gallon compared to $2.22 this same week in 2019. According to AAA, prices are expected to continue dropping until global travel resumes as usual, and there's no longer a public health threat.
With the supply being so high, we'll see gas prices kind of trend all the way up through summer of being really low. So that's going to be a great advantage for people that want to drive domestically or stay in this area.
Now, gas prices are also down in North Carolina. The average price per gallon is now $2.20 per gallon, which is down 6 cents since last week. Live in Greenville County, Brookley Cromer, Fox Carolina News Tonight.
And of course, we will continue to follow the latest as we get more information from the CDC, of course, the White House, and our local health department. So stay with us. It's easy to do through our Fox Carolina News app.